Did you know Marie Curie's personal notebooks are still so radioactive over a century later that they're stored in lead-lined boxes and require protective gear to view? Her pioneering research into radium and polonium unlocked secrets of the atom but carried an invisible, lethal threat few understood. Explore the shocking dangers and groundbreaking discoveries of the first woman awarded the Nobel Prize. Marie Curie's story is one of incredible dedication and groundbreaking science. Born Maria Skłodowska in Poland, she faced many obstacles to get an education. Women weren't always welcome in universities, but Marie was determined. She moved to Paris and studied physics and chemistry at the Sorbonne, excelling in her classes. It was there she met Pierre Curie, who became her husband and scientific partner. Together, they embarked on research that would change the world's understanding of atoms. They were fascinated by the work of Henri Becquerel, who had discovered that uranium emitted strange rays. Marie decided to investigate these rays further, calling the phenomenon radioactivity. Working in a small, poorly equipped lab, the Curies painstakingly processed tons of pitchblende, a uranium ore. Through this backbreaking work, they discovered two new elements: polonium, named after Marie's native Poland, and radium. These elements were far more radioactive than uranium. Their discovery of radium was revolutionary. Radium glowed in the dark and had the power to destroy diseased cells. This opened up exciting possibilities for treating cancer and other medical conditions. Curie's research laid the foundation for radiation therapy and medical imaging. In 1903, Marie and Pierre Curie, along with Henri Becquerel, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their work on radioactivity. This made Marie the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. However, the Nobel Committee initially wanted to only award Pierre and Becquerel. Pierre insisted that Marie's contributions were crucial and she was included in the award. After Pierre's tragic death in an accident, Marie continued her research. She isolated pure radium metal and in 1911 won a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry. This made her the first person to win Nobel Prizes in two different sciences. During World War I, Marie Curie used her knowledge of radiation to help the war effort. She developed mobile radiography units, nicknamed Petite Curies, which were used to X-ray wounded soldiers near the front lines. Marie Curie's pioneering research had a significant impact on science, medicine, and technology. However, it also came at a personal cost. She was exposed to high levels of radiation throughout her life, and the dangers of radiation were not well understood at the time. She eventually died of aplastic anemia, a condition caused by prolonged exposure to radiation. Her legacy continues to inspire scientists, especially women. She proved that with dedication, perseverance, and a brilliant mind, anything is possible. Even today, scientists are still exploring the properties of radioactive isotopes and their potential applications. Many questions about the long-term effects of low-level radiation exposure also remain unanswered, presenting ongoing challenges for researchers. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to keep watching more amazing videos on pioneering scientific discoveries.